Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, so students, from few days we are doing the revision on the chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in computer. In previous video we have done the revision on the chapter 6, that is an introduction to the internet. In that we have done the revision on subtopic, that is what is internet, uses of internet, basic terms related to internet, opening a web browser, opening a website. So we have already studied about all these subtopics. So today I am going to explain you the book exercises of chapter 6, that is an introduction to the internet. Before starting the exercise, just we will go through on the summary of the chapter. See here, that is a network is a group of two or more computer connected together. Means network क्या है? What is a network? Network जो है एक जब टू या दो से ज़्यादा, टू या मोर देन टू कंप्यूटर कैन बी कनेक्टेड टुगेदर इज नोन एज अ network. Okay, a network is a group of two or more computers connected together. The second point, internet is the largest computer network and connects millions of computers across the globe. इंटरनेट क्या है? एक लार्जेस्ट कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क है जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में, पूरे ग्लोब में मिलियंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर के साथ में कनेक्टेड है, जुड़ा हुआ है. मॉडेम इज अ डिवाइस दैट एक्ट्स लाइक अ लिंक बिटवीन अ कंप्यूटर एंड अ इंटरनेट. मॉडेम क्या है? मॉडेम एक ऐसा डिवाइस है जो कंप्यूटर और इंटरनेट के बीच में एक लिंक का काम करता है, दोनों जिससे वो इन दोनों को एक दूसरे से जोड़ता है. ओके, देन एन इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, दैट इज ISP. ISP जो है इज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट ऑफर्स यू एक्सेस टू इंटरनेट इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ अ सर्टन फीस. ISP एक ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो हमसे फीस लेता है और उसकी एक्सचेंज में हमें इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड कराता है. The next point, a web page. Web page is an electronic page that contains information. Web page क्या है? Web page जो है एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पेज है जो हमें हर तरह के वेराइटीज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन कंटेन करता है. नेक्स्ट इज अ वेब ब्राउज़र इज सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज़ यूज्ड टू एक्सेस इंफॉर्मेशन और सर्विस अवेलेबल ऑन द इंटरनेट. वेब ब्राउज़र क्या है? वेब ब्राउज़र एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसका यूज़ हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अलग अलग तरह के इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सेस करने के लिए करते हैं, या फिर इंटरनेट के जरिए उस पर कोई सर्विस है तो उस सर्विस के बारे में भी, अवेलेबल सर्विस की नॉलेज भी हमें वेब ब्राउज़र सॉफ्टवेयर से मिलती है. The last point is URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Each website has a unique address called URL. हर वेबसाइट का अपना एक यूनिक एड्रेस होता है. उस यूनिक जो उनका जो एड्रेस होता है उस एड्रेस को हम कहते हैं URL, means Uniform Resource Locator. So in chapter 6 we have studied all these things. This is the summary of the chapter. Now we start the exercise of chapter 6, that is what? An introduction to the internet. So let's start. The question number first is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. See here, in tick the correct answer, internet is popularly known as the. Internet is popularly known as the. There are three options: net, network, inter. Net, network and inter. So the correct answer is net. You know, internet is popularly known as the net. इंटरनेट को जो है ज़्यादातर हम देखें तो उसे क्या बोला जाता है? नो वन सेज इंटरनेट, सब लोग नेट करके बुलाते हैं. सो आंसर इज नेट. स्पेलिंग इज NET. नेट. स्पेलिंग इज NET. net. Okay, now come to the next, that is second one. Which of the following is not a web browser? Which of the following is not a web browser? We have three options: MS Word, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. MS Word, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. So can you know guess which of the following is not a web browser? इसमें से web browser कौन सा नहीं है? Yes, the correct answer is MS Word. The correct answer is MS Word. So spelling is MSWORD. MS Word is not a web browser. Next come to question number 3rd. What is the address of a website known as? Just now I tell you in the summary, what is the address of a website known as? Yes, we have 3 options: ASP, URL, HTML. Okay, ASP, URL, HTML. The correct answer is what? URL. So ISP and it is wrong, and the correct answer is URL. URL is the address of a website. Okay, the address of a website known as URL. Full form is Uniform Resource Locator. Now come to the next question. This is question number 4. Which of these can be done by using the internet? Means we have 3 options: communication, cooking food, growing a plant. Okay, we have 3 options: communication, cooking food, growing a plant. So can you guess which of the following can be done by using the? इसमें से कौन सी ऐसा चीज़ है जिसका जो हम इंटरनेट की मदद से कर सकते हैं? इज इट कुकिंग फूड? खाना बना सकते हैं? नहीं. ग्रोइंग अ प्लांट? नो. व्हाट? कम्युनिकेशन? यस, कम्युनिकेशन कैन बी डन बाय यूजिंग द इंटरनेट. द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज COMMUNITION. Communication. Okay. Now come to the next one. That is question number 5. In which part of the website is the URL enter? Okay. कौन से वेबसाइट में URL एंटर होता है? कौन से वेबसाइट में URL एंटर होता है? We have 3 options: ISP, address bar, tab. ISP, address bar and tab. Okay, see here we have 3 options: ISP, address bar and tab. ISP, address bar, tab. Clear? Again repeat: ISP, address bar and tab. तो कैन यू गैस कौन से इसमें URL वेबसाइट का URL एंटर होता है? इज इट ISP? नो. टैब? नो, इट इज इन एड्रेस बार. URL का वेबसाइट में वेबसाइट के किस पार्ट में URL एंटर करते हैं? वी आर एंटरिंग द वेबसाइट इन विच पार्ट? इन एड्रेस बार. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज एड्रेस बार. स्पेलिंग इज ADDRESS address BAR. Bar. Address bar. So by this we have completed. Tick the correct answer. Now come to the next question, that is fill in the blanks. That is what? Fill in the blanks here. In this also we have to do 5 questions. Let's start. First one. Dash is a virtual store. Dash is a virtual store. Okay, dash is a virtual store. Can you guess the answer? Dash is a virtual store. Yes, dash is a virtual store. So correct answer is Flipkart. Correct answer is what? Flipkart. See here, Flipkart. Spelling is FLIPCART. FLIPCART. Flipkart is a virtual store. Okay, now come to the next, that is second one. And dash provides internet connection. And dash provides internet connection. Who provides? Yes, internet service provider. Internet service provider provides internet. So answer is internet service provider. Shortcut is ISP. So the correct answer is, shortcut is what? ISP. Okay, shortcut is ISP. And ISP provides internet connection. Now come to the next, that is question number Third, a website is a collection of dash. A website is a collection of dash. So website किसका collection है? It is a collection of web pages. It is a collection of web pages. So answer is web pages. Spelling is WEBPAGES. Web pages. A website is a collection of web pages. Now come to the next, that is question number 4. Dash is an example of an internet service provider. इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर का ये एक एग्जाम्पल है, वो क्या? इट इज़ BSNL. BSNL. Here BSNL is an example of an internet service provider. Now come to the next, that is question number 5. An internal dash is fixed inside a computer. An internal dash is fixed inside a computer. Here, can you guess? It is modem. It is what? Modem. Spelling is MODEM. Modem. So an internal modem is fixed inside a computer. So by this we have completed the B exercise, fill in the blanks. Now come to the next, that is exercise C. Write true or false. Write true or false. Okay, so in this we will do the first one. See here, first one is a URL begins with HTTP has. A URL, is it true or false? Yes, because URL is a uniform resource locator. No, so answer is true. 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 Answer is what? True. Answer is true. 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 Okay, now come to the next, that is second one. Google Chrome is an internet service provider. Is it? Google Chrome is an internet service provider? Can you tell me? Yes, it is or not? Google Chrome is an internet service provider. No, Google Chrome is not an internet service provider. Okay, it is a web browser. It is a web browser means, so it is false. This one is false. 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 Okay, now come to the next, that is third one. MTNL is a web browser. Is it? MTNL is a web browser? No. Why? Because it is an example of URL. So MTNL is not a web browser. Answer is false. 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 Okay, now come to the next, that is fourth one. A web page is a digital page. Yes, a web page is a digital page, so it is true. 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 It is also known as electronic page. Now come to the next one, that is fifth one. See here, question number 5. A hyperlink is the text or any object highlighted in blue on a web page. Yes, a hyperlink is the text that is there are any object highlighted in blue on a web page. So it is what? True. Fifth one is true. Okay, now come to the next. We have completed exercise C. Now we start the exercise D. Exercise D, that is answer the following questions. That is what? Answer the following questions. In that, define the term internet. Write any two uses of internet. Okay, define the term internet and write any two uses of internet. So answer is, Internet is the largest computer network that connects millions of computers across the globe. Okay, Internet is the largest computer network that connects millions of computers across the globe. Any two uses of internet are, see, uses of internet are, first one communication and second is access information. Okay, first is communication and second is access information are the uses of internet. Now come to the next question, that is question number 2. What is the difference between a website and a web page? What is the difference between a website and a web page? So your answer is first website. Website is a collection of related web pages form a website. What is website? Website is a collection of related web pages form a website. After that, next one, that is second, web pages. Web pages is a digital electronic page. Web page is a digital electronic page that contains information. So got it, the differences between the website. Website is a collection of related web pages and form a website, and web pages is a digital electronic pages that contains information. After that, come to the next, that is question number 3. Explain the term modem. Explain the term modem. See here. Explain the term modem. So answer is modem is a device that acts as a link between a computer and internet. What is modem? Modem is a device that acts as a link between a computer and a network. Now come to the next, that is question number 4. What do you understand by a web browser? Give any 2 examples. What do you understand by a web browser? Means web browser के बारे में हमें क्या समझ में आएगा, क्या समझ सके? So answer is a web browser is a software. What is a web browser? Is a software. A web browser is a software that is used to access information or services available on the इंटरनेट. मीन्स वेब ब्राउज़र जो है एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसका यूज़ हम लोग या तो कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सेस करने के लिए करते हैं या फिर इंटरनेट पे कोई सर्विस अवेलेबल है तो उसे देखने के लिए करते हैं. हियर वी हैव सम एग्जांपल्स related to the web browsers. Here Microsoft Internet Explorer, Opera, Google Chrome, all these are the examples of web browser. Now come to the next, that is question number 5. That is what? Question number 5. Describe the term ISP. Okay, describe the term ISP. Write any 3 examples. So first we have to describe the term ISP. All of you know. See here, answer is ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. ISP stands for what? Internet Service Provider. Okay. So one must have an internet connection. One must have an internet to access the internet. One must have an internet connections. An ISP is an organization that offers you internet access in exchange for a fee. See, I repeat the answer again. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Okay, and ISP is an organization that offers you internet access in exchange for a fee. So Airtel, BSNL, MTNL, all these are the examples of ISP. All these are the examples of what? ISP. So by this we have completed all the whole exercises. So students, please go through on it, and those who have not completed their books or fair copies, please complete each with the help of these videos and PDF notes. Whenever the school will reopen, you have to submit your books and copies and for the correction. So take care of yourself. stay home safely and be concentrated with your studies. Don't waste your time in playing mobile games and at all. Also be active with your study also. Thanks for listening me. We will meet in the next video with the next topics. Bye. See you.